Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss 15 important questions related to this day. Today is historically important for two reasons. You know that the atomic bomb was dropped on the Japanese city of Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. On August 9, 1942, 3 years before this incident, the Quit India movement began in India. My today's video is all about the Quit India movement. I hope those of you who are preparing for the competitive exams will find this video helpful. Please watch this video till the end. Today's first question. Where was the plan of the Quit India movement first published? The answer is Harijan magazine. This magazine was run by Gandhiji and the plan of the Quit India movement was first published in this magazine on 26 April 1942. Your next question is, when was the plan of the Quit India movement adopted? Actually, this question has two answers. The proposal was first adopted on 14 July 1942 at the Wardha session of All India Congress Committee. Then it was re-adopted on 8 August when Jawaharlal Nehru raised the proposal once again at Bombay session. Next. When did the Quit India movement start? I think you already know the answer. Yes, it was 9th August 1942. Next. What was the other name of the Quit India movement? This movement started in the month of August, so the Quit India movement was also known as August movement. Your next question is, what was the slogan of the Quit India movement? The answer is do or die. Actually, it was translated from Gujarati slogan Karo ya Maro, and I think this slogan is very popular till now. What do you think? Isn't it true? Your next question is closely relevant to the previous question. Who gave the slogan do or die? This slogan was raised by Gandhiji on 8 August after adoption of the Quit India movement proposal at Bombay session. What was the full name of Gandhiji? It's Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. You also have to remember that the term Quit India was coined by Socialist Congress leader Yusuf Meherali. He is believed to have suggested Mahatma Gandhi the particular phrase Quit India. Next. Who was the Governor General of India during Quit India movement? The answer is Lord Linlithgow. He was the British Governor General of India then. Now for your revise, you please tell me in the comment section that who was the Governor General during civil disobedience movement, which was the previous All India movement led by Gandhiji. Now your next question is, who was the Prime Minister of Britain during this movement? Winston Churchill. Perhaps you don't know that besides the Prime Minister, Churchill was a prominent writer also. In 1953, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay, your next question. Where was Gandhiji kept after his arrest? Gandhiji was imprisoned in the Aga Khan Palace in Pune. Gandhiji and other leaders like Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Vallabhbhai Patel were arrested soon after the motion was passed on 8 August. Gandhiji was kept in Aga Khan Palace and others were in Ahmednagar Fort. Next, who hoisted the Indian flag at Bombay during Quit India movement? Aruna Asaf Ali. She hoisted the Indian flag at the Gwalior Tank Maidan at Bombay. This freedom fighter became the first elected mayor of Delhi and was honored with posthumous Bharat Ratna Award in 1997. Next, who was known as Gandhi Buri? Matangini Hazra was known as Gandhi Buri. She was a 72 years old Lady Gandhi. She belonged to Tamluk district of Midnapur in West Bengal. She was shot dead by the British Indian police while leading a march with Indian flag in front of the Tamluk police station on 29 September 1942. Next question. Who was the leader or the commander-in-chief of the Tamralipta Jatiya Sarkar? Satish Chandra Samanta, Tamralipta Jatiya Sarkar was an independent parallel government established in Tamluk during the Quit India movement. Tamralipta was the ancient name of Tamluk. This government had an organized volunteer armed group which was known as Vidyut Bahini, and its commander was Sushil Kumar Dhara. This government also had its own newspaper called Biplobi. Mr. Ajay Mukherjee was also an important member of this government. He later became the Chief Minister of West Bengal 3 times. Next, who secretly ran and operated a radio station for the protesters? It's Usha Mehta. Here you can see that how many female freedom fighters came forward in this movement when the great political leaders like Gandhiji, Nehru were absent due to their imprisonment. It's truly a glorious matter. Next, who wrote the book The Discovery of India? It was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru during his imprisonment at Ahmednagar Fort. In this book, Nehru compared the Quit India movement to the revolt of 1857. Now we have came to the last question of this video, and the question is, when did Gandhiji withdraw the Quit India movement? The date is 5th April 1944. This movement was effectively crushed. Gandhiji took the decision of withdrawing this movement due to repression, and the next day he was released from the prison. Hope you have enjoyed this video. To get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the all notification option next to it. Like this video and share to your friends. Thank you.